Recently, students came up with a question about the Aldol condensation. Is in the last step the leaving group a hydroxyl anion or a water molecule? Let's have a look into these details with a simple example: the condensation of benzaldehyde and acetone. Aldol condensation has the aldol addition product as an intermediate. So, and now it depends, do we work under basic conditions or under acidic conditions? Under basic conditions, hydroxyl anion will be the leaving group. Under acidic conditions, water will be the leaving group. First of all, we have to decide, of course, do we run this reaction, the first step, aldol addition, under basic or acidic conditions? Both will work. Well, let's assume we have basic conditions. Let us choose as the base sodium hydroxide, or if we have the countercation, the sodium cation here integrated, we should also have a sodium cation here. OH minus will deprotonate here, eliminating water. So then we will have here still the OH group, and here we enolate with the sodium coordinated at this oxygen but chelated between the two oxygens. And now imagine here we have the O sodium bond. Electron density will drive OH minus out of a molecule, and the OH minus coordinated to the sodium plus. That's it. The active sodium hydroxide is then restored and can go into the next cycle with the next molecule. We have already finished then the formation of this product. So, now to the reaction under acidic conditions. Let's choose something like HX, might be hydrochloric acid, for instance. Then several steps will occur. Protonation here at this oxygen, and additionally also protonating here and deprotonating there. This means we have a protonated OH here and an enol there. Let us draw this situation. Cationic charge. CH3 group, and of course we counter an ion in close proximity to this molecule. So then this water positively charged is a better leaving group as neutral water compared to an OH minus. On the other hand, this enol is a weaker intramolecular nucleophile compared to the enolate, but less reactive here, higher reactive there, the other way around here, less reactive in the enol part, higher reactive for the leaving group. Both cases work very well. Now here water is eliminated, and in addition the catalytic active hydrogen chloride, and we are already at our target molecule. Thanks for listening.